my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, I would like to give a shout out to all of my channel members. If you would like to join, my channel membership fee is only 99 cents a month. I'll have a link in the description. Now, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, as you see, I have some press-ons here. They are from nailnina.com. I'll have the link in the description. They offer a variety of press-on nails, high quality press-on nails that is, and they have sent me 3 of the most popular high quality press-on nails that they have. With each one comes a file and a wood stick. So we have each one of these, and it comes with some press-on tabs, okay? Looks like 2 each. First, I want to start off by saying that I love each one in its own unique way. Let's look at these. These are some almond shape. As you see, I like a little almond shape. It's French and it's in different colors. It comes in 24 nail pieces in different sizes, and the colors are nice summer colors. Check that out. The next one is this beautiful pattern. It's a coffin shape. It also tells you the instructions on how to apply, just in case you need instructions on how to apply these. It looks like a long length. Some people would say this is medium length. It looks like it's in 24 pieces as well. And check out the pattern of these. All these nails come from Nail Nina. Like I said, link will be in the description. The next one is another 24 piece set, and check out this design pattern. And it's more of a medium coffin shape. So I have 3 different nails to choose from. Each have a unique design pattern, different size, length, shape. So let's check out the quality of these press-ons. Okay. A little flexibility around the cuticle, which that's what you want, but a little more durable at the end, which that's what you want. See, it's not as flexible like the cuticle, so that's a good thing. So I like that. Let's check it out. Flexible around the cuticle, but stronger on the free edge, not easily bendable. That's what you want to look for. And check out this cool design. Let's check out the durability of this pattern. And these are one of my favorites. Flexible around the cuticle, strong at the free edge. That's what I look for in a press-on, because I want to be able to foul it up, and I want it to, well, these need a refill, but I want to be able to get it around my cuticle, so I want it to be nice and flexible here, but strong at the free edge. This pattern is so cute. And let's see what we have here. All right, very flexible around the cuticle. Not as strong as the longer ones. This is more flexible. The whole nail is more flexible, and it's probably because it's shorter. I have 3 really beautiful nail patterns from Nail Nina, and I'm not sure which one I want to demo to put on for you. But first, I need to get these nails off. So let me soak these nails off, and I'll come back and I'll pick one to show you how to apply. I have decided to go with these. The first thing we want to do is use this orange stick that they give us, this wood cuticle pusher, and we want to push the cuticles back. After we push the cuticles back, we're going to take the file. If your nails need trimming, go ahead and do that. And now we want to rough up the surface. By roughing up the surface, it helps the nail bind with your natural nail and whatever adhesive you're using. Today, we will be using these stick tabs that was included with the package. Be careful, you don't want to over file your nail. The key to long lasting nails, whether it's acrylics or press on, is prep. I'm not going to keep these nails on long, so I'm not doing too much prepping because I have to do my nails later, and that's when I'm going to really make sure my area is clean. So I don't want to over file my nails or nothing like that. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what you do. This is a very important step. Go ahead and measure your nails out. It do have numbers on here. When measuring the nail, you want to go sidewall to sidewall. This is the biggest nail that they have, so it really doesn't fit perfectly, but I'm going to force it. But you never want to force it because it will pop off. But for this video, I will use this nail. And let's say you need to just give this a different shape. Go ahead and use your file to help the nail fit where it needs to fit. That's why usually it's more flexible around the cuticle, so you can do what you need to do to help the nail fit. Now that we have the nails all sized up, I'm going to go in with my brush with some alcohol. You can use an alcohol pad if you like. You want to make sure the dust is removed and free. So I like to brush a downward. Let it dry. I will be using these little sticky tabs. There is a little strip on the end. Actually, I'm gonna split it in half. So I only remove one strip, okay? And I can already see that this is the biggest one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. You see how it doesn't fit all the way? If you are wearing nails for a longer time, you would put 2. After you apply to your nail, you lift the tab up. There's a little tab, and you pull it off. It kind of lifted up a little bit, so I just went ahead and fixed it back. Now you're going to take the nail that you pre-measured. Y'all, because this nail don't fit, honestly, it's not even sticking down, so I'm keeping it real. It don't fit my thumb. No worries, let's go on to the next tab. We're going to get a sticky. Peel it off, real easy to peel off. And put it. Let me give you guys a tip. If you wanted these nails to last a couple of days, I would just simply go in with some super glue. But these are the items, these are the tools that's provided in this kit, and I'm just showing you that you can make it do what it do with what's provided to you. Our next nail is going to be this one. The tabs are really easy to use. After you put it on, kind of like rub it in a little bit. And there's a little pull tab. And lift it up. Go in with your pre-measured nail. Press it down for 10 seconds. Look how good that's looking. You almost ready to go the way you need to go. Put that on. Massage that in. Pull it off. And for the pinky, we'll do the same. Pull that off. Now you are ready to go out the door. Check these nails out. You can get this cute set and many others from nailnia.com. I'll have the link in the description. Like I said, around the cuticles is very flexible, so you can file it to shape your nails, and the edges are very nice and sturdy. And this is just with the tabs. You hear this? And the nails are still intact. You guys head over to nailnia.com and purchase you some press-ons, whether you want to do a nice French, a cool pattern, or some nails with bling. They got a variety of styles, shapes, and lengths to choose from. I'll have all the link in the descriptions. If you guys are not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.